Well, as you are watching this video, then either you have a Nintendo Switch or you are planning to buy a Nintendo Switch in this Christmas. And if you already have a Nintendo Switch, maybe you have been playing games like me in handheld mode like this or in dock mode like this, and now you wanna go for an upgrade and you have found that the original Nintendo Switch controller, this one is a bit expensive and you want something affordable. Right, I have also walked through the same path. I have started playing my Nintendo Switch with this one and then I have bought this one. I had to spend like $90 for this one, and then I have found that wow, there are a lot of options, a lot of affordable options which even offers more convenience. And today I'm gonna introduce you to something like that. An affordable Nintendo Switch controller that you can even use with your PC and many other consoles. Okay, here is SoundFox wireless game controllers. And you know what? Before we talk about the performance or price, let me show you something. Well, there are 5 magnets over here and here. So you can just easily change the color or design as you want. So it's really great. This one is my favorite because this one is actually a bit subtle. You won't notice the design and it's not that loud. I mean, the color isn't that loud. It looks great. Well, you must be thinking, Han, please tell us the price first. Okay, this one only costs 35.99 US dollars. Wow, isn't it cheap? The skins cost 9.99 US dollars. Maybe it sounds a bit expensive, but considering the quality of the skin, quality of the product, it's not really that much. Well, now you know this one costs 35.99 US dollars. How much actually the Nintendo Switch original controller costs? When I have bought this one, it was like 89.99 US dollars. Now it's down to 69.99 US dollars. So this one costs almost twice of this SoundFox game controller. Well, let me show you the special features of these controllers. I think the white one is more visible. There are 3 macro buttons over here. You know, you can do the mapping, like when we are playing we want to press and do a lot of things together, so you can do the mapping on these buttons and you just have to press this one. You don't have to press a lot of buttons over here, and that's easy. Yeah, we are gonna check that soon. The another thing is turbo button. Like, you don't have to press. You can just select this turbo button and then select which button should go on turbo mode, and this one will just keep clicking. Yeah, this one have 4 different level vibration, and you can even select what type of vibration do you prefer, like 0%, there is no vibration, 30%, a bit of a vibration, 70% or 100%, it depends on you. Well, what about battery life? This one comes with 450 mAh battery. It takes 2 hours to get it fully charged. I mean, from 0 to 100% based on what type of vibration you are using. I mean, if you are on 100% vibration level, it will go for 8 to 9 hours. If you are on 0% vibration, then it will go beyond 12 hours. Before we talk about gaming, or before we do some gaming, let us talk about how it feels in hand. Yeah, it feels very comfy in hand, very light. 179.5 grams. What about the Nintendo controller? Yeah, 248.5 grams. And this one is even lighter than Nintendo Joy-Con controller setup. And if you're a gamer who like to play games long time, then definitely this lighter one will feel better in your hand. When you click on these buttons, there are 2 different type of feelings. I mean, this left button and the right button doesn't have that much travel. This gives more clicky feelings. These 2 buttons, this one have more travel, and yeah, it's very comfortable, very smooth. And also these buttons, these A, B, X, Y, all the buttons have that very nice clicky feelings, and I sometimes feel that these buttons are actually more comfortable than this one. The D-pad also gives the same clicky feelings like those 2 left and right buttons. Both the joysticks are very nice, very smooth, buttery smooth, I would say. Okay, let me show you how to map the macro buttons. First, what you have to do is to press this one, a long press, and you will see there is a light on top of this turbo button, and then you select what you want to do. Press on the button which one you want to map, like this time I want to map this one, and look at this. Isn't it fun? I really enjoy playing games with this one. Look at this. This is in continuous mode, this is turbo mode. So yeah, this B button is continuously getting clicked. I actually enjoy using the macro button when I'm playing FIFA. I mean the football game, because sometimes I want to give that through pass and at the same time I use my right thumb to click on the A, so that is a smooth shooting. These are my favorite. These are my most favorite gaming controllers at this moment. Well, there is something that I have forgotten to mention, that what things you will get inside a standard package. I mean inside the box. You will get a thank you card with customer support details, and yeah, this thank you card is also a quick start guide. There is a USB-A dongle included inside the box. This one is needed if you want to connect these controllers with a PC. If you have a gaming PC, then you can just put this dongle inside a USB-A port and you are good to go. Also, they have included some button stickers like for Switch, PC and PlayStations. Definitely you can use these controllers with your PlayStation, but as I don't have a PlayStation in my studio, I cannot demonstrate. Yeah, there is a user manual included in the box and everything is written clearly. So you don't have to worry about how to do this, how to do that. Everything is written very clearly. Well, that's all about wireless controllers. This one also have a wired controller. I mean, this brand also offers wired controller, which one is a bit more affordable, and yeah, I have made another video about that, so I will leave the link in the description box below. Like if you need a wired controller, then you can definitely check that video. But one more time, this one is one of my most favorite gaming controllers. So I want to know what do you think about this controller. Please don't forget to make a comment in the comment section, and if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Share the love.